In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on the TradingView platform. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to update it for security reasons, resetting your password is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign-in interface. It might be a bit different depending on the device you're using, but generally it should be easy to spot. Now, don't worry if you can't remember your password because this process is designed to help you recover access to your account. The next step involves clicking on the link that says Forgot Password or sometimes Can't Sign In. This link is typically found near the password entry field. Clicking it is crucial because it will direct you to the password recovery process that TradingView has set up. Once you've clicked on that link, you'll be prompted to enter some details to verify your identity. Usually, you'll need to type in the email address or phone number linked to your TradingView account. This information allows the system to ensure that it's really you requesting this password reset. If for some reason you can't remember the email address or phone number, but you have your username at hand, try entering that instead. TradingView might offer an option to search using your username, making it easier for you to get back on track. After you've entered the necessary details, the next thing you'll receive is a recovery link or a code. This will be sent to your registered email address or phone number. It's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well, just in case the email ends up there. Once you see the message, open it and you'll find a link or a series of instructions that will guide you through the rest of the password reset process. Now, carefully follow those instructions to set a new password for your account. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, perhaps by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Remember, a good password is key to keeping your account safe from unauthorized access, and that's it. You've successfully reset your password on TradingView, and you should now be able to sign back into your account with your new credentials. It's always a good practice to keep your login information up to date and secure. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to get back to trading with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.